Today, I'm pleased to announce that ITI has acquired Cimlogic, a leading digital manufacturing solution and service company.
Together, we can provide integrated, technology-based digital solutions to advance customers' operations and to help our clients to make the best decisions using data, to improve operational effectiveness, increase productivity and performance, and ensure safe, secure, and sustainable operations.
By bringing Cimlogic into the ITI group, we can provide a more complete digital portfolio of solutions to both sets of customers, enabling us to grow together.
This collaboration will enable us to deliver an expanded and integrated service to all of our customers using innovative technology to digitally transform, inspire and enable businesses to be the global leaders of tomorrow.